Good morning, guys. Today I will continue building the stone pathway I started in December. If you want to see how I started it, check out the first part of the video in the description below. And now, let's go outside.
So this is the beginning of the pathway. This is what I built so far. The pathway starts here next to the pond I hopefully will finish this year, all the way to the entrance of the house. I was really lucky because I didn't have to buy these stones. I received them for free from a demolition site. I only used soil and sand, under and in between the stones, no concrete, cement or any artificial materials. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm done for the day. I am really happy with today's progress. I managed to add lots of new stones to the pathway. As you can see here, I also added a separator between the two zones, the pathway and the flower bed. This helps me a lot with defining the edge of the pathway. It also keeps out the soil from the pathway, which is really important. The stones added in the past are already stabilized in their places and look very nice. Look at this. I cannot wait for the pathway to be completed, as it will add a huge interest to the garden. Here you can see how the two zones are clearly separated. So on one side of the pathway we have the rock wall, on the other side I am creating this new flower bed. I will plant an evergreen hedge along the pathway in this new flower bed, and I will let it grow the same height as the rock wall on the other side of it. So the pathway will have a rock border on one side and a hedge on the other side. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video, bye!